With ShopRite digital receipts, you can shop from past purchases, see your savings, and get your receipts via email, online, or on the ShopRite app, instead of getting them printed at checkout. Less paper means more convenience for you. To opt into digital receipts, log on to ShopRite.com, select Edit Account, scroll down, and then select Profile Information. Once you've opted in, you'll begin receiving a small slip of paper at checkout with the order total and transaction information instead of the full order receipt. Then, just keep an eye on your email. In about an hour, we will email you a digital copy of the full receipt. If you still need a full paper copy of your receipt, you can ask your cashier before you check out or visit the courtesy desk. To view your digital receipts on ShopRite.com, log in and click My Account in the upper right-hand corner. Then click Digital Receipts. Each transaction will be labeled with order information. You can click to view receipts or click Shop All to add the items from that receipt to your cart. On the ShopRite app, go to My ShopRite in the navigation menu, and then tap My Digital Receipts. Select any transaction to view order details, and tap Shop Receipt to add items from the receipt to your cart. Make sure to keep your app up to date to the latest version to take advantage of this feature. Thanks for watching. Visit our website at shoprite.com/digitalspotlight for more information, and check back each week for new tips.